Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this today's tutorial I will be discussing about the substring function in SQL. I'll be talking about the three substring function. Those are substring and substr after and substr before. In this I will be giving you an example, and there I will be using these three functions so that you can able to understand how does it work. And these three functions are useful in the case of any string value you give. So let me give you an example. Select. First I will be using the substring, and I'm giving one string type. Suppose this is SAP Learning Academy. So this is my string value. Yes. And suppose, and also you need to give one the position from where you want to take the value. Suppose I'm giving position from 5th, and to next 10 character I want to take from here. And so now if I execute this statement, so you can see the result right here. So from okay, let me just check it. What is the error? We have to give a comma right here so that it should distinguish between this. So if we now execute this, we can see the data that from the position 5th. So this is 1 2 3 4 5th, from here to next 10 character, so it's going to show. So the same thing can be useful. Suppose if you are using some letters or some numeric value. Suppose I'm going to use like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose you have this value in your string. Suppose you want to see the data from 5th position, the next two value. So if you now execute this one, so we can see that so 5 and 6 is shown, because from the 5th position, so 5th and 6th can be seen in this by this example. Now I will be showing you about the substring after and before. So let me use the substring after in this example. So substr after. In this case, we take the data so by using a pattern. But let me show you that. Suppose we are using is. So from this example, we can see that is pattern is here, is here and here. In both places, we can see the pattern like is available. So what this function will do, that after the first is, so wherever it will find the first is, so from there it will take the next all the data of that character. So it means let me just execute that so that you can see the result. So yes, you can see that there was is here, right? And after that, whenever it got the pattern, the first pattern, so it will print the next all the value of this character. So this is how the substring after works. Substring after. Now if we do just the opposite, substring before, and we can see the result. Okay, substring before. Suppose I'm gonna put the same data is here. Now let me execute this one, and we can see the result. Look, so it means it will show the data just wherever it got the pattern called is, and it will show the data from that position backward. It means that's why we're using the substring before. And same concept we can utilize in the case of numericals, like the numeric functions. So let me show you that. Substr and it is very useful whenever you are doing any kind of writing an SQL or something. Suppose I'm giving as 5. In the case of substring, you have to give the position, but here you don't have to give the position. Here you have to give the pattern. Like here you can see that like we are using the pattern 5. Okay, now if I execute this substring after, means after 5, whenever it got the 5, so it will print the next all the remaining value of the string. Similarly, if I just give the substring before, and it will, whenever it got 5, so it will print the backward whatever the values are there. So you can see that the data 1 2 3 4. So that's all about this tutorial, and here we have talked about these 3 functions. So I hope you have understood this part and you can utilize this concept in your coding. So thank you for watching. Also please have a like on this video, and please subscribe on my channel, and please look into the other tutorial I have given in the below link in the description. Please have a look on those. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.